I bet everybody of you has this one friend. Hi, it's me, this one friend. Yo, hi man, what's poppin'? You ask, and after this weird handshake he answers, well, believe it or not, I just bought the new iPhone. And you look your friend into his face in an extraordinarily confused way and pull your iPhone 3G out of your shoe to open up your calendar app and realize your friend fucked up. But fortunately, this friend gave me his new small car in a different form factor for this unboxing. So just for the record, I'm still poor as hell. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max. What's that? It looks like some kind of a subscribe button. I've actually no idea what to do with this, so I'll just put it under this video and you can check it out there. Okay, this little package in my hands is worth around about 1,400 euros. And that's because this is a 256 gig model. As always, the iPhone comes in a sleek and high quality box. On the front side of the packaging, we can see the back side of the iPhone. On the top and bottom, we can find Apple logos. And on the left and right side, it says iPhone. On the back side, we can find a lot of numbers and blah blah, and an information about this unit's storage. And when it is a 3-digit number, you're either rich or in debt. But let's open it up finally. As usual, the box opens very slowly and smoothly. And when I say that, I mean very slowly and smoothly. Yeah. After you finally made it into the box, the backside of your new sanctuary awaits you. In this case, the backside of a midnight green model. But this thing's also available in space gray, silver and gold. And spoiler, the front side's bezels and notch are always black. Furthermore, you can choose between 64, 256 and 512 gigs of storage. And if you wondered what this weird thing in the top left corner is, these are the 12 megapixels ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras. But let's take a look at what else Apple threw into this box. At first, we get some toilet paper and Apple stickers as always, even though the Apple stickers seem to be printed the wrong way around. Just a joke. The toilet paper itself has a German and French text on it and comes with a sharp semi-jack tool, and because of that I really wouldn't recommend to use it in the crapper. We also get an 18 watts USB-C power adapter because in comparison to owners of a classic iPhone 11, Apple gives 11 Pro users the opportunity to charge their iPhone faster. Then you get earpods coming with a lightning connector. Some of you might know them from the iPhone 5, which was released in 2012. Not connoted negatively, just an observation. And of course we also get a USB-C to lightning cable, and that's it. So let's pull off the plastic foil and take a look at the phone itself. On the left side we can find the volume buttons and the shut up switch. Not much on the top, but on the right side we can discover the power button and the SIM slot. Because I'm an idiot, I forgot to show the bottom, but I swear you can find the lightning port, a speaker and a mic there. On the front side you will find a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, which is pretty nice to watch YouTube videos. Furthermore, it still has a notch, which consists of a speaker, a front camera, the Face ID sensor and more. The iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with iOS 13 pre-installed, and that's it with the unboxing, because I want to get rid of it to avoid to drop it and to be in debt my whole life then. So thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and see you next time. Adios, I'm your host.